Greeting, hello. I hope our future will be better. Uh, I usually make video by writing, but since many people may hate it, I do it by stopping here. Maybe the sound is not clear enough, but yes, this is the best I can do for now. I made this video in a forced position. I don't intentionally want make video for this channel, but it seems the lie has become too much. Sorry for my bad English. I don't speak English a lot. It is not my native language, of course. So recently there are a lot of ads, commercial, advertising that try to portray AI as a great tool. I don't want to make this video close to AI, so I choose this way. So by looking at the street, you know that this video is not AI generated, because this video is somehow hate AI, so I try to make it less AI related. All is done manually. Sorry for the busy road, sorry for the noise. So to continue, recently there are a lot of AI advertising that try to make people believe that AI can do everything, from doing your job, and the virus, firewall, etc. There are also a lot of AI review. There are a lot of people comparing this AI with that AI, but I see that all the comparison is not reflecting to the real life. So about the AI scam, first, AI is portrayed as something that can do your job well. AI is portrayed as something that can replace your job in one ad, replacing a 1 month work with a 2 hours or even 1 hour job work. So AI is said can work a job in a 1 hour where people need about a month. That is a wrong comparison, because that 1 month work is a sign of bad teamwork. It's a sign of inefficiency, usually done by corporation that has too much money and too much people. Work is not supposed to be that long unless it's all is contingency, useless meeting or useless discussion. That one example is from Amazon. I don't know how it spells. I think you know what corporation, but I mean, I see a lot of video in the past that explain how inefficient is the work at Amazon. Too much work with a very little done. Months of planning, months of meeting without carrying something, without producing something positive. work that can be done within 1 hour is being prolonged by too many useless meeting, useless directional meeting that do nothing to do the job. The one who says it is Amazon employee or ex-employee of Amazon. So 1 hour and months of work is not what make AI fast, but inefficient organization is. The AI itself indeed can make job fast. They can summarize things, they can produce something, but one thing that many reviewer or people who advertise AI do not tell, which is AI cannot do the job reliably. As means AI cannot produce the work correctly. Most job done by AI is wrong. I say most because sometimes it can do job correctly at the one tick, but most of the time when I work with AI, it will fail. It will produce something that real people will not do. So it can interpret something, then make its own interpretation that is wrong. Then it expanded itself, that lead to more wrong solution, more wrong work. So AI tend to work different from our expectation. So this is why there are many schools for AI, but it is not the school that advertised at YouTube or any other social media. The real AI teaching will teach people how to make AI produce correct work, and that is take a lot of tricks, either money, either work hours. It will take away people's time. So AI must be done carefully. Another thing, now AI can lie, can pretend. And that is done by AI deliberately. That is the scary part. Not just AI hallucinating, AI misinterpreting or assumption, but AI can lie. I experienced this in a lot of AI. Even from Cloudy, from Sonnet, I experienced this lie too, especially on recent Sonnet version 5. It lied to me a lot. So I have to make a direction in Cloud to tell it not to lie, to tell any assumption, to tell how it interprets something, how if my prompt lead to different interpretation, I ask AI to ask me what to do. Or if there are multiple solutions, it must ask. So there are no ambiguity. I also ask AI to write any assumption, anything. But the bad thing is, even this rule can be broken. AI can directly can do something beyond the rule. They break the rules. And when I ask AI how to make it not breaking the rules, it uh, it said that it cannot be done. AI cannot guarantee that it will not break the rules. That is the problem. So AI produce something that may not be correct most of the time. Also, it will break the rules. That is something which is scary. And this already happening. Many people, even organization, big corporation, or small corporation suffer from this. There are reports of AI deleting all information, all data, computer data, even deleting hard disk content. There are a lot of this example. And unfortunately, many AI reviewers do not consider this option. Their test usually with only with one take, one loop, one prompt, not multiple prompts. They do not test what happens if we work with multiple prompts, or what happens if we ask AI to debug their work, to redo their work, to correct their works. This is a big gap in review, and this also leads people to think that all AI is the same. That is completely wrong. There are AI that lie a lot, pretend a lot, exaggerating word a lot, that hallucinating a lot, and there are AI that keep their sanity check. There are AI that more reliable, produce more correct work, or they can somehow produce correct work after multiple prompts. That is very important distinction. AI that cannot make a completely 100% correct product after multiple prompts, then we do not have to use that AI. Example of AI that I avoid is ChatGPT and Gemini, that prove they are liars, they are not capable of doing their job properly, and even after multiple sessions. So even with more prompt, nothing will change. They stay the same. They keep insisting their wrong opinion about something and do not make the work correct. So now I use either Claude or DeepSeek. I use DeepSeek because DeepSeek, even if it's dumb, even if it is stupid, at least I know I will eventually get correct result. There are less regression, there are less accident, even if sometimes it deletes code, it deletes data because it's wrong assumption. At least it is honest, and I can force him to go back to the previous data or previous code. With ChatGPT, it is almost impossible. And now, unfortunately, Claude Sonnet at version 5, which seem to try to mimic DeepSeek methodology, DeepSeek way of preserving memory to reduce memory usage, sometimes break the rule, sometimes forget something from previous prompt, but at least Claude Sonnet is not as bad as Gemini and ChatGPT, which can forget something from 2 prompts before or 3 prompts before, and we force us to tell everything from the start. So the main point for this video is, do not believe in AI ads. AI cannot replace people yet. AI may help our work, but only if we know when the AI produce wrong work. If we don't have the ability to tell whether AI work is correct or not, we should not use AI at all. Thank you for watching.